Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a digital journal to sell on Etsy. First, let's explore finding your perfect niche. Consider what makes your journal unique and appealing to a specific audience. Researching popular themes on Etsy can provide valuable insights into current trends. Understanding your target audience, perhaps busy professionals or creative hobbyists, is crucial for tailoring your product effectively. This foundational step ensures your journal stands out among thousands of listings. Now, let's dive into the design and creation process. Select user-friendly software, such as Canva for beginners or Adobe InDesign for more advanced features. Focus on creating a clean, intuitive layout with engaging elements like prompts or trackers. Ensure your journal includes at least 20 unique pages for variety. Once complete, export your masterpiece as a high-resolution PDF, ready for instant download by your customers. Next, we'll cover how to successfully list your digital journal on Etsy. Craft an engaging listing with a descriptive title and keyword-rich tags to improve search visibility. High-quality mock-up images showcasing your journal's features are essential for attracting buyers. Remember to clearly state that it is a digital product, available for instant download. Pricing your journal competitively, perhaps between $5 and $15, will also help attract initial sales. Finally, let's discuss marketing and growing your digital journal business. Share your beautiful creations across social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Consider using Etsy ads for a small budget to boost your listing's visibility. Actively encourage customer reviews, as positive feedback significantly builds trust and encourages future purchases. Continuously update your offerings and engage with your community for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.